flimsy. It's plastic parts. It feels like it can break easily if misproperly used. That's why I didn't give it the full rating for the sturdiness. But it is pretty sturdy. And my son is pretty rough.
Let go of it, let it do it.
I want it to go in the dirt though.
Well, you gotta have him drive forward a little bit. He's up too high.
What?
Move, go forward. Other one, nope. Nope, the other one.
This one?
Yes, that's backwards, the other direction. There you go. All right, now do the button. There you go. That should work. Oh yeah, you got some. And you dumped it. What you gotta do is scoop it up and then let go of the button and then move him somewhere and dump it somewhere else. Okay, now move him somewhere else. There you go.
Where's Ray?
Well, you can try the forward and backwards button too.
I'll do that one. Oh!